Too many systems, too many screens. It's time for all your tools to work together. When they don't, that's where the real problems begin. Isolated systems, data chaos, missed updates. The lack of integration is costing you time, money, and control. Clue connects with 70+ systems, including maintenance, GPS, telematics, ERP, and more. Bringing your equipment, data, and updates into one powerful platform. With Clue, all your systems work together. No more silos, just straight-up efficiency. Unified dashboard, one screen, total control. See your entire fleet and operations in one place. No more jumping between platforms. Real-time syncing, always accurate, always now. Live data updates from every system mean fewer delays, better decisions, and no guesswork. Custom integrations, connect the systems you already use, built around your exact processes, not the other way around. Complete compatibility, 70+ supported systems across OEMs, GPS, telematics, ERPs, and more. Fully connected, fully operational. Ready to stop the chaos and take control? Stop juggling, start moving. Book a demo today.